Could Samsung be planning to shake things up with an earlier launch for its new foldable phones? That's what recent reports are suggesting. If the leaks turn out to be true, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be revealed in the first week of July 2025. That's earlier than usual and could make this Samsung's quickest foldable phone release so far. One of the major reports comes from the Zhongyang, hinting at a big Galaxy Unpacked event in New York City. This is interesting because Samsung had recently hosted its events in places like Seoul and Paris. But now, it seems the company is going back to New York, the same place where it launched the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. And this time, the event might be bigger than just smartphones. Alongside the new foldables, Samsung is expected to introduce more products. A new Galaxy Watch might be on the list, and for the first time, we could see Samsung's Android XR headset, a mixed reality device built to compete with others like the Apple Vision Pro. On top of that, there are talks about two more devices being teased, a lower-priced version of the Flip called the Galaxy Z Flip FE, and Samsung's long-anticipated tri-folding smartphone, which has been in development for a while. Focusing on the Galaxy Z Flip 7, one of the most talked about features is its outer screen. It can grow to around 4 inches with a nearly edge-to-edge design, making it much more practical for things like quick replies, checking messages, or using widgets. Inside, the foldable display may be 6.85 inches. The Flip 7 is also expected to have a dual camera setup on the back, a 50 megapixels main camera paired with a 12 megapixel sensor. The selfie camera inside is rumored to be 12 megapixels. It might be powered by a 4,300 mAh battery and support 25-watt fast charging. Moving over to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, there's even more to get excited about. It could feature a 6.5-inch external screen and a large 8.2-inch foldable display on the inside. As for the camera setup, leaks point to a powerful 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x zoom, a 12 megapixel selfie camera on the front, and an upgraded under-display camera inside the Fold may also be included. The Fold 7 might come with a 4,400 mAh battery and also support 25-watt charging. Both devices are expected to run One UI 8.0 based on Android 16 and feature Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This means performance should be top-notch, smooth multitasking, faster speeds, and improved power efficiency. Each phone is likely to start with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, with larger storage options also in the pipeline. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be incredibly thin, around 4.5 millimeters when open and about 9.5 millimeters when folded. That would make it slimmer than most foldables currently on the market. Both models may also come with an IP48 rating, offering better protection against dust and water. Other features like stereo speakers, USB Type-C ports, and premium build quality are expected to remain part of the package. So overall, it looks like Samsung is aiming to make a strong impact this year with faster releases, smarter features, and better designs. Whether it's the bigger displays, upgraded cameras, or the lightweight build, there's a lot to look forward to in the upcoming Flip and Fold series. What feature are you looking forward to the most? The early launch, the new cameras, or the sleek design? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you like this update, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights and upcoming product news. The upcoming Pixel 10 series has been generating a lot of excitement, but a new leak suggests the performance might not meet expectations. Google's Tensor G5 processor, which was expected to bring a significant boost, might not be much different from its predecessor, the Tensor G4. This is surprising, considering Google is designing the chip completely in-house for the first time. Many had hoped this would allow the company to compete with Apple's A-series chips and Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors. However, new reports indicate that the improvements may not be as impressive as anticipated. For years, Google's Tensor chips have been produced by Samsung Foundry, incorporating elements from Samsung's Exynos processors. While Google has made customizations, Tensor chips have struggled to match the performance and efficiency of flagship competitors. That's why the decision to develop the Tensor G5 from the ground up was seen as a major step forward. Moving away from Samsung's technology and manufacturing processes, Google aimed to create a chip optimized for its Pixel devices, focusing on AI performance and power efficiency. A key change with the Tensor G5 is its production shift to TSMC, the world's most advanced contract chip manufacturer. Unlike the Tensor G4, which was built on Samsung's 4nm process, the G5 will be produced using TSMC's third-generation 3nm process, N3P. This transition should, in theory, result in a more powerful and energy-efficient chip. On paper, it seems like a great move. TSMC has a strong reputation for making high-performance, power-efficient chips, which is why companies like Apple and Qualcomm also rely on them. With these upgrades, many expected the Tensor G5 to offer a significant leap in performance. Google appeared to be taking all the right steps, switching manufacturers for better chip quality, upgrading to a more advanced fabrication process, and designing the processor independently, rather than relying on Samsung's Exynos architecture. But according to a leak from Chun, the 8888, the Tensor G5 may end up performing at a level similar to the Tensor G4, with the only real difference being the shift in manufacturing from Samsung to TSMC. If this information is accurate, it would be disappointing for those who were expecting a substantial improvement in speed, efficiency, and AI capabilities. Another potential concern is the reported use of Universal Flash Storage, UFS 3.1, while other flagship smartphones are moving toward UFS 4.1. The older storage standard could result in slower read and write speeds, which might lead to longer app and game loading times compared to other high-end devices. This could put the Pixel 10 at a disadvantage, especially when competing against premium smartphones offering the latest technology. On top of that, leaked images of the Pixel 10 Pro XL suggest that its design will closely resemble the Pixel 9 Pro XL with no major aesthetic changes. If the leaks about both the processor and design turn out to be accurate, some users may decide to skip upgrading this year and wait for the next generation instead. Many Pixel fans were hoping for a significant step forward, but without noticeable performance gains or a fresh design, it might be harder to justify an upgrade. Of course, benchmarks and leaks don't always tell the full story. Google might have software optimizations planned that could enhance AI performance and efficiency. Real-world usage could paint a different picture, and Google may still have some surprises in store. However, if these leaks turn out to be true, the Pixel 10 might not deliver the leap forward that many had anticipated. Would you still consider upgrading to the Pixel 10 if the Tensor G5 doesn't show a significant boost in power? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this update helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news for a better gaming and graphics experience. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, these phones should provide a seamless and responsive experience. Both devices will run Android 15 out of the box with Samsung's One UI 7 layer on top, delivering a smooth and intuitive interface. With Samsung's commitment to providing 6 major Android updates, these devices promise long-term software support, ensuring they remain up-to-date with the latest features and security enhancements. When it comes to battery life, both the Galaxy A36 and A56 are expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery, providing plenty of power to get through the day without constantly reaching for a charger. And if you do need to recharge, the 45-watt fast charging support will get you back up to speed in no time. With impressive camera specs, powerful processors, and a sleek design, the Galaxy A36 and A56 have the potential to make a strong impact in the mid-range market. Whether you're looking for a solid all-rounder or something with specific features like photography or gaming performance, these phones seem to check all the boxes. So, what's your opinion? Are these devices everything you've been waiting for, or are you expecting even more from Samsung? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.